Hello YouTube family and friends. Welcome back, y'all. My camera look a little blurry unless it's my vision. Well, y'all, happy Monday, y'all. Today is Monday. Listen, it's Monday, June 16th. I'm hot, y'all, as you can see. But anyway, I put the camera up all weekend. I had my grandbabies, the little bitty ones. And so, yeah, and y'all know that yesterday was the holiday and everything. So I hope everyone had a blessed holiday. So, yeah, I'm hopping on right now because I got out and went to Family Dollar, got some paper towels. And when I was in there, I found these, y'all. Remember when I was telling y'all about I needed to find that I only bought one fern from Hobby Lobby. I bought one fern and I'm like, it's so big. It's like, is it going to be too big for the pot or whatever? And it's like, I still got about a hanging baskets. So I went to Family Dollar. I went in there looking for one to get paper towel. But, you know, I picked up a couple other things. But I was not expecting to see these in there. Right here. So I got two of them, y'all. And it's crazy because this is exactly what I was thinking about. I used to have these, I don't know what you call this right here, but I used to have these hanging on the banisters on my deck, the square ones, not rectangular ones. It's all tangled up. I gotta get that untangled some kind of way. Is all that supposed to be down there? It's something like it's supposed to do, but anyway, we're gonna do this. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get it right. Some kind of way. Is this right? Make it right. We're gonna get it right. Anyways, this is y'all. Right here. And look. For $5 at Family Dollar, honey child. I gotta get this little knot up out of here. Or do it supposed to be down like this? Maybe it's supposed to be like this. And it's just twisted. I don't know. Ain't nothing really to worry about. I do want it to be right. I guess I'll fix it in a little bit. Whatever. Oh, here we go. Alright. So I got two of these, y'all. Two for $10. It's $5 a piece. And I just got some paper towel, like I said, paper towel, paper plates. And I just got a pack of these for the grandkids. I'm gonna put them in the freezer. And that's it. Nothing else. So, yeah, that's it. I'm heating up some leftovers from yesterday, getting ready to eat. And I'm going to go outside because I turned the big fan on right there. Y'all can see it in the background. I turned the fan on so that when I do go outside, I can have some air blowing. It's so muggy out there, y'all. I can finally say we having a summer. Okay, we get some good weather. It's 89 degrees today. So, and that's great for us. We had a nice weekend too. They said it was gonna rain. We didn't get no rain, so that was a good thing. Yeah, so, but anyways, y'all, I already got my drink made. Some grape sun-kissed. As y'all would say in the South, soda. But we call it pop down here in the North. So, that's it. And I made a bowl of food. Hold on. Let me see if my food done. Microwave. Okay. I had to turn the microwave back on for a couple of minutes. I like my food piping hot. Do y'all like your food piping hot? Y'all, another thing. Don't think I'm not going to be responded or she ain't responded to her comments. I'm going to get to them. I promise I'm going to get to them, y'all. I promise I'm going to get to them. I just been very busy. And I need to dedicate and put more time. Like I had said, I wanted to make a schedule for myself with YouTube alone. But I'm soon and very soon, I'll have that extra bedroom done. I said soon and very soon, but soon and very soon I start working on it. I say that. But I do got to get me another desk because y'all remember I gave my desk to my son. So give me another desk and get that room set up so that when I get up, I can go to work, you know, on the computer, or if I just want to sit and talk to y'all at the board, I can do that. So, and it'll just make, I think it'll just be more better for me. It'll just make more sense to you know, get up and go to a desk. So I know I got to get up and go do that. You know, I know what to look forward to in the morning. Not saying I don't look forward to it with my computer being right here on the kitchen table. I just want to have my space. And then I'm tired of all this stuff on the table. I want to be able to set my table how I want to set my table, and I can't do that right now. So, but hold on one more time. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all what I cooked. It's the microwave that made it run over, but I made some homemade loaded mashed potatoes. I also made some gravy with mushrooms and onions, and it had stew beef in it. It was really good. And some homemade macaroni and cheese, cabbage. We had ribs and tips in here. I don't have no sauce on mine, but y'all, the microwave, because my food's so hot, it's done ran into each other, but it don't even matter, honey. I'm finna put me some onions and tomatoes and jalapenos because I like them raw on my greens and beans. So I'm gonna eat and I'll call y'all back.
Will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain. Will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue.
Hey y'all, I left out and I went to the Dollar Tree. Show y'all what I did. Look, y'all, just greedy. Now I used to buy the popcorn all the time, but this the one that don't have the kernels in it, and it's caramel. It got like a little caramel taste, but not all like that. But $1.25, because y'all know Dollar Tree is not, everything's not $1.25 no more. Try to stick with it today though. I got some Ziploc bags, and I got some barbecue sauce, and what else did I get? I got some potato chips, some fried potato chips. Y'all listen, don't go to the store when you're hungry. You're picking up all kind of everything, okay? Look, strawberry cookies. And then I picked up some Vaseline, some soap, and I got, sorry I keep coming close to the camera. Then I got this game. Y'all remember the Super Simon back in the day? I ended up getting this one, and it's of course not called that, but similar to it. I'm gonna throw some batteries in here in a minute and play this. This was $5, and I got it, so it's just another game for my grandkids and myself. I also went to, ooh, hand itching. I hope I'm getting some money. Come on, surprise check something. I went to Bath and Body Works, and I went to because I said I'm gonna go get some soap, hand soap, because I was out. I really went to get all hand soap, but I ended up getting a couple of lotions too. So I picked up this dragon fruit and palm leaves soap. Don't even know what it smells like, but and I got this one right here, coconut lime verbena. I don't know what it smells like, but I like coconut. This one is mango papaya paradise. Nice summery scent. And this is starfruit sangria. So I got those. And then as far as the lotion goes, this didn't smell that good, but it was $3. It's called the Brightest Bloom. It was $3. And then it had this one right here, Costa Rica Pineapple Sunrise. And this is, I think, might have been one of their new ones, but it was, they have a semi-annual sale. So this one was either $3.95, $4.95, something like that. I don't know. But got this one. And then I got this right here, Malibu Heat. That was $3. Saw that when I was checking out the line. And this one, Illuminous. And this was $2. So that's the reason why I grabbed those. But I originally went in there just for soap. I don't have any more Bath and Body. I didn't have any more Bath and Body Works soap. I like the foam soap. I didn't have any more of that. And then, but I do have soap at all the sinks. I just didn't have any more of that. So, yeah. And I pretty much just put those in my bathroom and at the kitchen sink sometimes. But majority of the times it's in my bathroom, because in the kitchen I always get something that's real cutesy. But anyways, yeah. I just wanted to hop on, let y'all know that. Y'all, it's so hot outside. Oh my God. And I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining.